Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your friend list on Facebook. So you can start by opening your your Facebook on your computer or maybe on your mobile, and then you can just click on this downward at the top right corner under your photo profile and go to the settings and privacy. Tap on the privacy center. Okay, so here is the privacy center. Now you can just click on the search in here, and on the search column just type in the keyword friend list. You can tap on enter and just wait until this setting show up. This one, who can see your friend list on your profile. You can click on that, and you can just choose which one that you want to. If you want to show to the world, you can just go with public. Friends, only your friends can see your friend list. But if you want to hide it, you can just, like I did in here, choose to the only me setting, so that only me or only you who can see your friend list on Facebook. And after that, you can tap on done. So you can now just close this and go back to your Facebook. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.